Welcome back here in this new video tutorial. Here we are going to learn how to reverse a list in Excel. Like here I have the list of the item and in the next column I want a reverse list of it. For this we are going to use formula and we will also learn how to do this by using Excel trick. So here in the cell press equal to, then type index function first, bracket open. In the array of the index function select the list of the items, then lock this range by pressing F4 key in the keyboard, then give a comma. In the row number of the index function use the count a function, count a bracket open, then select this range again and close bracket without locking the range, then close one more bracket for the index function, press enter, and here you see the last item has given here in the first item. And if you drag this by going in the fill handle, then the list is now reversed. Let's go to second method where we will use a trick. For this, here create a helper column, then type here 1 2, then select these two, drag it down, this creates a serial number here, then select your data this way, go to data tab, click on sort option, then choose the HC column in the sort by, then here choose largest to smallest, click OK. Now here also the list is reversed. Now you can delete this helper column and you already got the reversed list here. So this is the two methods of reversing a list in Microsoft Excel, and this much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more, please go to channel's video page where you can find different video tutorials in Excel and Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.